Your tablet's newly updated workshop tools now delivers expanded coverage, enhanced functionality, and more know-how than ever before. And, getting the job done has never been easier. Services are now categorized into resets, relearns, routines, calibrations, and inspections, making it simple to find the right service. The suspension calibration function helps calibrate the suspension system to ensure proper operation and stability of the vehicle after replacing suspension components. Simply follow the provided vehicle-specific prompts to complete the process. Please visit us at innova.com to learn more.
Find the problem, fix the problem.